既又既又既又
both, and,
both, and.
她既聪明又漂亮。她既聪明又漂亮。她既聪明又漂亮。
She is smart and beautiful.
She is smart and beautiful.
当她上台领奖时，她既紧张又兴奋。当她上台领奖时，她既紧张又兴奋。当她上台领奖时，她既紧张又兴奋。
When he received the award on stage, he was both nervous and excited.
When he received the award on stage, he was both nervous and excited.
游泳既可以锻炼身体，又可以帮助减肥。游泳既可以锻炼身体，又可以帮助减肥。游泳既可以锻炼身体，又可以帮助减肥。
Swimming can both exercise and help lose weight.
Swimming can both exercise and help lose weight.
减肥，减肥，减肥。
Lose weight.
Lose weight.
你太胖了，我建议你去减肥。你太胖了，我建议你去减肥。你太胖了，我建议你去减肥。
You are too fat. I suggest you lose weight.
You are too fat. I suggest you lose weight.
哪一种运动减肥效果最佳？哪一种运动减肥效果最佳？哪一种运动减肥效果最佳？
Which type of exercise is best for losing weight?
Which type of exercise is best for losing weight?
我认为游泳减肥效果最好。我认为游泳减肥效果最好。我认为游泳减肥效果最好。
I think swimming is the best way to lose weight.
I think swimming is the best way to lose weight.
辛苦，辛苦，辛苦。
Hard. With much toil.
Hard. With much toil.
最近你看起来没精神，工作辛苦吗？最近你看起来没精神，工作辛苦吗？最近你看起来没精神，工作辛苦吗？
You seem to have no energy lately. Are you working hard?
You seem to have no energy lately. Are you working hard?
爸爸每天工作很辛苦，早出晚归。爸爸每天工作很辛苦，早出晚归。爸爸每天工作很辛苦，早出晚归。
Dad works very hard every day, leaving early and coming home late.
Dad works very hard every day, leaving early and coming home late.
感谢您为我解决了这个问题，辛苦了。感谢您为我解决了这个问题，辛苦了。感谢您为我解决了这个问题，辛苦了。
Thank you for solving this problem for me. Thank you for your hard work.
Thank you for solving this problem for me. Thank you for your hard work.
肚子，肚子，肚子。
Belly. Abdomen. Stomach.
Belly. Abdomen. Stomach.
他怎么了？他怎么了？他怎么了？
What's up with him?
What's up with him?
他肚子痛，吃错东西了。他肚子痛，吃错东西了。 他肚子痛，吃错东西了。
He had a stomachache and had eaten something wrong.
He had a stomachache and had eaten something wrong.
他挺着一个大肚子，走路很辛苦。他挺着一个大肚子，走路很辛苦。他挺着一个大肚子，走路很辛苦。
He had a big belly. It was hard to walk.
He had a big belly. It was hard to walk.
他向来不偏食，只要填饱肚子就行了。他向来不偏食，只要填饱肚子就行了。他向来不偏食，只要填饱肚子就行了。
He has never been partial to food. As long as he fills his stomach, he will be fine.
He has never been partial to food. As long as he fills his stomach, he will be fine.
感情，感情，感情。
Deep affection. Love affair.
Deep affection. Love affair.
他们之间的感情出现了问题。他们之间的感情出现了问题。他们之间的感情出现了问题。
There was a problem in their relationship.
There was a problem in their relationship.
他们经常发生争吵，导致夫妻感情破裂。他们经常发生争吵，导致夫妻感情破裂。他们经常发生争吵，导致夫妻感情破裂。
They often had quarrels which led to the breakdown of the couple's relationship.
They often had quarrels which led to the breakdown of the couple's relationship.
夫妻感情不好，直接受到伤害的就是孩子。夫妻感情不好，直接受到伤害的就是孩子。夫妻感情不好，直接受到伤害的就是孩子。
If the relationship between husband and wife is not good, the children will be directly harmed.
If the relationship between husband and wife is not good, the children will be directly harmed.
烦恼，烦恼，烦恼。
Agonize. Annoyance. Vexation. Worries.
Agonize. Annoyance. Vexation. Worries.
生活中总会有烦恼。生活中总会有烦恼。生活中总会有烦恼。
There will always be troubles in life.
There will always be troubles in life.
当遇到烦恼时，我们要笑着勇敢面对。当遇到烦恼时，我们要笑着勇敢面对。当遇到烦恼时，我们要笑着勇敢面对。
When we encounter troubles, we must face them bravely with a smile.
When we encounter troubles, we must face them bravely with a smile.
上天给我们烦恼，就是要考验我们。上天给我们烦恼，就是要考验我们。上天给我们烦恼，就是要考验我们。
God gives us troubles just to test us.
God gives us troubles just to test us.
掉，掉，掉。
Used after certain verbs, indicating the result of an action.
Used after certain verbs, indicating the result of an action.
把所有烦恼扔掉，你就会幸福快乐。把所有烦恼扔掉，你就会幸福快乐。把所有烦恼扔掉，你就会幸福快乐。
Throw away all your worries and you will be happy.
Throw away all your worries and you will be happy.
不要让幸福跑掉，要抓住幸福。不要让幸福跑掉，要抓住幸福。不要让幸福跑掉， 要抓住幸福。
Don't let happiness run away, seize happiness.
Don't let happiness run away, seize happiness.
丢掉一些不重要的东西，你会获得更多。丢掉一些不重要的东西，你会获得更多。丢掉一些不重要的东西，你会获得更多。
Throw away some unimportant things and you will gain more.
Throw away some unimportant things and you'll gain more.
谢谢观看。